I wanted to talk to you today about core strength. After having delivered 2 babies myself and being an ex-ballet dancer, abs have always been my concern. No one wants a flabby tummy, and well, when you are raising children, you kind of lose focus on yourself. Suddenly you become self-aware again and realize that you have excess baggage around your middle. This is very depressing. So I made it my mission to become an ab specialist, and here in this video, I am demonstrating the one ab exercise that the Victoria's Secret models do. Now, whilst ab exercises are very important, so is the pelvic floor, and those who have delivered babies know what I mean. Suddenly you feel as though the bottom has fallen out of your world. So how do we strengthen this delicate area? Well, having been the journey myself, I will tell you that yes, doing as you've been told and practicing stopping the urine flow as you urinate does give you the feel of where your pelvic floor actually is. But having done this for many years myself, it never actually strengthened the floor or prevented incontinence. In my study of understanding the abs, I've created a winning formula. Those who knew me 10 years ago will remember I was always running to the loo. But my fitness journey and study have given me a great deal of intelligence for this area, and no, we don't need surgery. I go into great length about this in my online program to be released in June, but for now just start practicing sitting on a chair and imagine trying to stop the urine flow and then pull that feeling up to your throat. Another way is to imagine you have gotten to a lift and taken it to the top floor of a building. Imagine that feeling as 100% intensity. Now release that 10%, so go down 1 floor. Go back up to the top floor. Practice taking different floors and returning to the ground floor. Do this as often as you can. In my Let's Get Moving Again online program, you'll learn what to do next, and it is quite intense, so get this right. Have a happy day.